Hello, I have multiple problems with this smoke detector, CO smoke detector. Everything in the package is almost complete, but there is I believe there is a multiple malfunctions. First, the LCD screen doesn't remain on. Okay. The second, I did a test. I made a small fire with a piece of newspaper in this glass jar and put both of them. Then I turned off the fire. Just there was some smoke here. Put both of them, the smoke detector and the jar, inside a plastic bag, and the indicator, the LCD, showed 772. But after I took it out of the plastic bag, it doesn't return back. It doesn't reset. See, when I press it, still it shows 772. In manual instruction, it is written that press and hold this one to reset it. This is my fourth test. I have 4 videos. This is the last one. So I summarize it. I press and hold this button one time, first time for 5 seconds, then 10 seconds, the next time 20 seconds, the next time 1 minute. Then I left the smoke detector outside in fresh air and repeated the same. Press and hold this button up to 1 minute, but it doesn't reset. See, now I am holding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, still it doesn't clean the memory. In manual instruction, it is written in manual instruction here. It is written, press and hold it for several seconds to reset the memory. It doesn't reset the memory. First, when I press it and for the short time, it's supposed to do a test. It doesn't do a test. Okay. It's supposed to do a test. See, now the only thing, it is, as I mentioned, this is my 4th test. The only thing to reset this memory is to take out the batteries. And I put 3 Energizer rechargeable batteries, the highest quality. Then I thought maybe, okay, nickel metal hydride has a voltage of around 1.2, so maybe I have to use alkaline battery, which has a voltage of 1.5. So I put 3 new alkaline batteries, but still the same problem. So as I mentioned, this is my 4th test. So these are my problems. 1, LCD screen doesn't remain on. Okay, backlight, backlight, usually everything after a while turns off the backlight. Okay, but why did after backlight goes off, why the LCD screen also goes off at the same time? This is one problem. The second problem is the test button doesn't work. Okay. And the third problem is this is 772 is the highest carbon monoxide from the previous test. It doesn't reset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You see? The reset button doesn't work. So these are the multiple problems that